Hi boys and girls, it's Mr. Rivera. So today for art class we are going to do something a little simple. As we know, we only have 3 days this week of school and then we can start our Christmas break. So today we're going to draw a snowman in honor of our little storm that we had last week. So we want to follow the directions, work alongside with me if you want. So let's get started. Alright, so first thing I want to do is I'm going to draw a circle in the middle. So we want to make it a good size. All right, now I'm going to draw two curved lines from the head down to the bottom of the paper. All right, so now that I've done that, I'm going to give him a hat. So you could do a hat like I'm going to do, or you can draw your own. Now, our hat and our scarf are going to have a pattern. So as we learned before, a pattern is something that repeats. So I'm just going to do a simple line pattern. And when I color it, I'm going to color it with a color pattern. So the colors that I choose will repeat. Okay. Now we're going to draw our scarf. So just below his head, we're going to draw a curved line. And then we're going to draw the other part of the scarf. And this one also will have a pattern. Okay, so now we are going to add our face. So as we know, snowman's usually made of coal and a carrot. So I'm going to draw his eyes, a carrot for a nose, which is a triangle, and then a smile made of smaller circles. All right, so now we're going to add his arms. So his arms will be made of twigs. There's no wrong way to draw them. All right, and finally we're going to add the buttons. Okay, so if you have some space around there, you can add something. You can draw snowflakes. So to draw snowflakes, I like to draw a plus sign and an X. Okay, so now I'm ready to color. As I mentioned earlier, the hat and the scarf will have a pattern. So I'm going to choose two colors. I'm going to choose green and red. You can choose whichever colors you want. And I'm going to start coloring the hat. So now I'm ready to color the rest of him in. So his eyes, mouth, and button would be black. And then finally his nose will be orange. Right, so now you have your finished snowman. So as I said earlier, you can do what I did with color, but a pattern can be anything that repeats. If you want to draw a bunch of circles or triangles, you can do that. And you can do more than two colors. When you are finished, you want to make sure to take a picture, upload to Google Classroom. I would suggest trying to do it before Wednesday. But if you forget, just try to upload at some point during the break. We'll see you guys next year. Hope you guys have a good break.